Apparently I have more things to say about hair than I thought I did, so this is going to be a part 2 to my other video. Part 1 is in the description down below. It looks like this. For today's nail art, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have like no time to do this. I'm actually in a rush, so it might just be super simple. I get hairs not only on my face, but I also get hairs on my chest. That is just... somebody hates me. They're in random spots on my chest, and then I also get ingrown hairs on my freaking chest. I don't want them there, so I rip them out, and now I have ingrown hairs. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because I have an ingrown hair now. It's like a sliver. For me to get it out, I'm gonna have to do freaking surgery and rip that sucker out. It's just gonna keep happening. I have some on my elbow. I have some on my calves. I've seen some on my stomach. I've seen ingrown hairs all over my body. I used to not have that much hair on my body, and now I have a butt ton of hair, and it's like, where are you coming from? Why are you here? Sometimes if I don't deal with it, I'll get blackheads, and I'll be like, why do I have blackheads in these random places? And then I will pop the blackhead and realize it's a freaking hair, and sometimes it's two. You can also develop it from shaving. And that's another reason that shaving bothers me. When I do shave, because I don't shave very often, the leg hairs get super long and luxurious. And then when I do end up shaving, I inevitably miss a spot. If I'm wearing shorts or a skirt or something, and I go outside and there's the slightest breeze, I can feel it on my leg hair. Sometimes I'll think it's a bug, and then I'll look and it's like, oh no, I just missed a spot. No matter where I'm shaving, wherever it grows back becomes super itchy. And you eventually get to the point where you don't want to have to deal with that crap anymore, you know? Can we also talk about eyelashes? They always get in my eyeballs. Its whole purpose is to protect your eyeballs, and instead stabbing my retinas. I have curly hair. I have gotten bugs in my hair. Like, not like, oh, I have lice. No, I mean bugs from outside. I've had bugs dive bomb my hair, and because it's curly, they can't get out again. I came in from outside, I was in college, or I heard a bzzz, and I'm like, what the deuce? And then I felt my hair, and I could feel something moving in it. I flung my hair around, and there was a wasp caught in my hair. Why? And I don't know if anyone else experiences that, or if that's just the joys of being me. Bugs just seek me out specifically, and they're like, there she is! It is time for us to find our new home in her head. Washing my hair is a whole thing, and it's irritating, and I don't want to do it. We also talk about gray hair. One day I woke up and saw I had 3 gigantic gray hairs in my head. My first thought was, I'm gonna be Rogue from X-Men. So I said, I'm not gonna pull those suckers out, I'm gonna keep them. I feel like everyone should have that thought, you know? If you get gray hair, instead of being like, I have gray hair, I need to dye my hair, it should be like, yes, I've earned my stripes. I was thinking about doing a video talking about skin because, you know, as you see, I don't have perfect skin. So if you're interested in that, let me know, but I might do it anyway, even if nobody responds. If I wasn't rushing, I feel like this would look good. You know, Simply Nailogical says, Hollow fixes everything. Oh, yes. Still a hot mess, but now it's a hot mess with glitter. Top coat also fixes everything. You don't know if it's truly crappy until after the top coat. I did this in a half hour. Is it perfect? No. Is it good for a half hour? I think so. I hope you have a great day. Okay. Bye.